Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Anti-aging, lifting, firming facial mask. What I'm going to share with you today is a very special facial mask. I'm using a combination of ingredients that are known to tighten the skin. Ingredients that contains vitamin C that will help to brighten the skin. Guys, this is a must-watch video because you're going to be blown away of how amazing and how quick this facial mask work on the skin. So if you're looking to tighten the skin, your jawline, your neckline, if you're looking to plump these cheekbones up, to get rid of forehead wrinkles, this recipe is for you. So what I'm going to do for you, I'm going to share the recipe with you, and then I'm going to show you how to use it on your skin for best result. So here I have an egg, and I'm using a medium egg. What I'm going to use is the egg white. Now, egg white is amazing for aging skin. It can help to tighten and firm the skin. If you have large pores or acne-prone skin, egg white helps close pores and get rid of buildup. If your skin is oily, egg whites are said to clarify pores and hair follicles that makes them too much sebum. So what I'm going to be doing with this egg, I'm going to extract the egg white from the egg yolk. I am simply using a knife just to beat on my egg a little, and then I am extracting the white. Pretty easy thing to do. Now once this is done, take a look at this jelly-like substance. This is the egg white and this is the egg yolk. Put the egg yolk to the side to use a hair mask. And here is the egg white. Let's put this aside also and move on to the next ingredient. Now here I have a delicious pomegranate, fresh pomegranate. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this open. And look at how beautiful this is. Fascinate me all the time. Now I'm going to just remove some of these amazing looking seeds. They look so rich. They look almost like they're artificial, but they are actually natural pomegranate seeds. And if you know anything about pomegranate, you'll know that these are sometimes very sweet and delicious to eat. However, today we are just going to take a few of the seeds and we are going to squeeze the juice from the seeds. What you might not be aware of is that you can use this juice topically on the skin. It contains vitamin C. It also contains vitamin A, which will help to hydrate, nourish the skin. But best of all, it will help to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, and when applied with other ingredient that contains vitamin A, it will also help to tighten and firm the skin. Once we squeeze the juice, we're going to strain just to get rid of any particles. And take a look, here we have the fresh pomegranate juice. I also have lemon, and lemon contains vitamin C. So this is going to help to brighten the skin and get rid of skin discoloration. And now what we're going to do, we're going to put all of these amazing ingredients together. 1 tablespoon of the pomegranate juice. Next, I'm going to add the egg white. You can choose to whisk the egg white before, or you can choose to whisk it after. I like to whisk it after. So I'm going to use about a tablespoon of the egg white. And this is really hard to get out, but go ahead. You can take out a little at a time. Just make sure it's about a tablespoon. And now we're going to reach for the lemon. We're going to squeeze about a half a teaspoon. You do not need a lot of this. You can use the juice or you can use the zest. Both are amazing for this recipe. And now guys, we are gonna whisk. You can even choose to add this to the blender and blend, but it's pretty easy to whisk with a fork. Now once this is done, let me show you how to use this on your skin to tighten and firm. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm only going to apply this to half of my face, and I'm using a brush to apply it. You can also choose to use your hand, or you can choose to use a soft rag. Just soak it in and apply it to the face. Once my half a side of face is completely covered with this not so pleasant fragrance from this egg, then I am gonna sit with it on my skin for about 30 minutes. And look at my skin, guys. This is what is happening. It has dried on my skin, but that's amazing. That's the way you want it to be. Now once it is dried, rinse off, and look at my face right now. Look at the side where I apply this amazing remedy, guys. You can clearly see how fuller my face is looking, plumper, tighter, and firmer. And that's what I'm talking about. This is an amazing anti-aging facial mask that give you basically instant result. Definitely give this a try, guys. You are missing out if you have not yet tried egg white on your skin. Mix it the way I just did, or you can go ahead and use some of your favorite ingredient to mix this egg white in. Whatever you do, use it, guys, because it really works on the skin. Now this is good to use 2 to 3 times per week for best result. If you're short on time, at least once a week, just to take care of you, just to get rid of the wrinkles and fine lines, just to have your skin looking brighter, and guess what, guys, just to have a younger looking appearance on the skin. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, guys. And guys, I am waiting for the comments. So look below in the comment section. Go ahead, comment. And if this is the first time watching, you want to see more of these videos, well, subscribe to the channel. The word subscribe is below. If you click on it, you will be subscribed. But better yet, do you want to know as soon as I upload the video? Well, look beside the word subscribe. You're going to see a little bell. If you click on that, you will get a notification as soon as I upload a video. Also, guys, we have other channels. We have the link in the description box below. We have ALESMAXii, and we also have CHIT Beauty Vlog. So go over the 2 other channels, subscribe, and show your support. Thank you all, and I'll see you